The other main section of 24 is the present perfect, specifically with the words ready and yet. The intent with this chapter is not to teach them present perfect. It's only to teach them small aspect of it, specifically with already and yet. But to do that, we should be clear about the meaning. We should present the meaning of already in the sense that it isn't necessary anymore. He has already washed the dishes. There's other meanings, but that's not the point of this lesson. We just want to explore that meaning of it, meaning it's done. It doesn't need to be done. Just for our discussion or our knowledge, but this wouldn't be explained to the students because it won't help them use it. It'll probably confuse them. Here they call it verb three, but perhaps I've mentioned before, there really is no entity called verb three. What we're talking about there is past participle. And like the present participle, you can treat the past participle as an adjective or a noun, as well as a verb. In our sentence with the present perfect, if we treated that as a noun, as a thing, then if we treat it as a noun or a thing, then it changes the meaning of this verb have. Now you can think of the verb have as meaning var. There's our past participle, which is behaving as a noun. And don't suppose this is present perfect. Suppose this is var, as in the normal English use of var. He has a pen. What does he have? He has washed dishes. Imagine it as a pile of clean dishes on the counter. What does he have? He has washed dishes. They're washed dishes. That's the meaning of present perfect. And you will notice that it is present tense. Never mind present perfect or past tense. This literally is subject, verb, present tense. What does he have right now? He has washed dishes right now. Going back to the book, we're not going to explain the deeper meaning. We're just going to stick with the meanings of already and yet and do them out of the book, and then we'll do an activity with them. But as we've seen already, there's different meanings of it. We're going to teach it is not necessary anymore. It's already done. Well, then, if we're looking at yet, then it needs to be done. It needs to be done, and it's not done yet. I know I shouldn't use the word in the definition, but that's the meaning we'll show to the students. And when they're speaking in this way, like it's not just when you say already use present perfect. No, you say when you're meaning that the action isn't necessary anymore, and we say already to mean that, then we're going to use the present perfect. And if you're saying, well, yeah, it needs to be done, and it's still not, we're waiting, we use yet to describe that meaning. And when we use yet with this meaning, then it will be present perfect.